Listen, after all my years of posting on Facebook, I did not know this. People, make sure no value the information I'm going to know. Guess what? Guess what Facebook I do right now? After me post my pictures, my videos, the amount of pictures when me have on Facebook, no normal. So, me should I get paid for them the whole picture that me put on? Honestly, did you know that if you sign up for the Facebook star, you can start earning? I wanna tell me say, for real, right there so. You can earn. I did not know that. Right now, I tell you the secret because as me get them so, me I show them for you. Just like, no want money though. Me want money, so me I show it. First of all, you can post reels. You can post your pictures. You can post your videos. People, hello? You no need money. You no hurry up and subscribe, man. Cause if you not subscribe, you not go get me post them on my post, my daily post. Cause me I post daily for tell them the good money thing, you know. Money thing right through. Money right through. Right? Yes, so true. You get 0.01 cents for a post. 4 stars. People can send you a star and you get money. Come let me sit on this a little bit. Right just a little bit because me have to talk up the things them. What? Facebook P? Yes, girl. Oh, you did there? Watch more videos there, man. Watch more videos.